LinkedIn for your business. Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO in Amsterdam. Yeah, LinkedIn for your business. If you're a business owner and you're wondering how to grow your business using LinkedIn, yeah, today I'm here to help you on how to grow your business using LinkedIn. For most of you who don't know me, my name is ACIERO. I'm based in the Netherlands, and I always talk about LinkedIn and also talk about e-commerce and web design and other topics around money and business. So if you like business and you love money, stay tuned and we are going to go into detail. So LinkedIn, how do you use LinkedIn for your business? Because most of the business owners I know have told me LinkedIn is somewhere where they can look for jobs, and they don't understand especially how they can use it for their business. So how do you use LinkedIn for your business? LinkedIn is very, very profitable and very, very, very focused. How do you use it to your advantage as a business owner? As a business owner, you have to make yourself visible. People have to know you before they can trust you and also do business with you. So you have to do three things, before you even get any leads on LinkedIn, because most of you are just going in and say, yeah, I only want to get leads. That's not how we do it here on this channel. And I'm going to tell you how you can do it. Yeah. First of all, you have to establish a presence on LinkedIn. How do you establish a presence on LinkedIn? You have to start making content. Make content on LinkedIn. And how do you make content and how do you start making content? If you want to know how to start making content and what you may need to make content for LinkedIn, click over here. There is a video to help you out on how you can make content for your business on LinkedIn. Second thing, while you're making content, be consistent. Be consistent. What I mean be consistent is your schedule. Yeah, schedule is important. When are you posting? What are you posting? The topic you're posting should also be consistent. And if you're in a niche down your thing. And people, please stop posting photos of your children on LinkedIn. Stop posting what you're doing at home on LinkedIn. I know it's a free platform. You all want to show us what you're doing. You think it's Facebook, but most people are only looking for business. If you're a business owner and you're posting your children's photos and what you're cooking at home and things like that, I think you're doing it wrong, unless your professional is being a cook or being a child carer or something like that. If that's what those are the clients you're looking for, then it's okay. But if you're not and you're looking for something else, please stop posting children's photos on your LinkedIn. Be consistent and post things around the niche you're in. Thirdly, make sure that you're reaching the right audience of people you want to reach. So how are you reaching the right audience? The thing is this: if you start growing a following on LinkedIn, in the beginning people start posting different things. So when you are all over the place, people will start unfollowing you. Yeah, but the ones that will remain will be the loyal people that really interested in what you have to offer. It's not about how big your audience, what converts. So you can have 10,000 people follow you on LinkedIn, but if none of them buy anything from you, how is it relevant for you for those people to follow you? I'd rather have 100 people follow me. If 100 follow me and 150 buy stuff from me every month, I'm very happy, than having like 10,000 people follow me and none of them buy anything, because yeah, that's not their thing. So it's not relevant. So you also have to understand that. Third thing you should focus on is be recognizable. Make sure that you're standing out. Don't get lost in the noise in LinkedIn. LinkedIn is so big, and make sure they stand out and be recognizable. Brand your content. Make sure that people know immediately who this person is when they get to your video, know what they're getting when they come to your page or your profile or wherever you're posting. So you're consistent and you're recognizable. Now, fourth thing is make engaging content. So make sure while you're making your content, make it engaging so that people can leave comments, likes, and share it. Ask people to engage while you're making your content. If you make engaging content, LinkedIn will be able to share it, and many people will have eyeballs on it. And maybe with all those people who are having eyeballs on it, one of them may start following you, or 10, you never know. Make it engaging, make it entertaining, make it something that your audience will be interested in. Get discovered. How do you get discovered? Use hashtags. Use hashtags in your posts. Like I said, make a schedule, post frequently, and use hashtags, because when you post something, you want more than the people who follow you in your network to see it. So by using hashtags, other people are getting this information that are not even following you, that are not even in your network. So spray your message outside your network by hashtags, and other people following hashtags will see your posts when they go to that hashtag they're following in their feed. So if you want to grow your business on LinkedIn, download my ebook that will take you through the tips and tricks and more on how to grow your business on LinkedIn and get lots and lots of leads for your business. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and like this video, comment, and share it to all your loved ones. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks a lot. Love you lots, and keep watching more videos on this channel in 1, 2, 3 and more.